built our lands to make it our home. Now we're living wild where the wild things roam. Like and subscribe, please don't pass us by. We're living life out here under the sky. Join our journey, come along for the ride.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Mike. If you're new to the channel, we're runaway parents. And boy, we've got something special. Believe it or not, all of this is gone in this truck camper. My 2002 Lance 915 that we completely rebuilt and remodeled. I'll take you through, let you know that we did partner up with Signature Solar. This is partially sponsored by them. They gave me a good discount on everything, and I did pay a lot out of my pocket for it. Starting off, we're going with the EG4 LL 24 volt 200 amp hour batteries. We're putting 3 of them in here. Got 4 Canadian Solar 400 watt solar panels. They are going on the roof. I'm building an aluminum rack that's going to go on the roof, and the panels are going to be all across the top of the roof. Be 1600 watts of solar going in here. Starting off over here, let's see, let's come over here. We got my Lynx distributor, the Orion Tri-Smart 122415 DC to DC charger. That's going to take my 12 volt battery out of my truck, convert it over to 24 volts, charge it at 15 amps. It comes up to like 360 watts. That's going to provide. Now this, I'm not sure that it's going to work like I got it in my mind. I'm still doing some research, but I went ahead and got the stuff I needed. Orion TR Smart Bluetooth 24 to 12 20 amp. My idea is that I'm going to keep my house battery in here. I'll convert it over to lithium 12 volt so it can power my jacks. I'm going to run from my Lynx distributor 24 volt, step it down to 12, charge this battery at 20 amps. That'll keep this battery charged up so I can run all my everything inside the camper. And I'll be the first to tell you, I don't know everything about this by no stretch. But this is a DIY project. I've been researching it for a while and partnered up with Signature Solar on this. We're gonna make it happen. Tired of carrying a generator around. With this, we should be in good shape. Servo GX, Victron Multi Plus 2, 24 volt, 3000. We got the Touch 70. Connect to our Servo GX. We got the MPPT 250-100 solar charge controller. Got all my cable in here. MC4 connectors and 10 gauge wire. Got a 24 volt solar fans, computer fans. We're going to go inside in a minute. I'm going to show you where I plan to put all this. Got all my crimpers, my cable crimper, my DC shutoff, solar, breakers, fuses. Now, according to Signature Solar, let me tell you right now, I've had 1,000 questions, and they have been unbelievable. And another thing I like about Signature Solar is I'm in Oklahoma, but literally, Signature Solar is an hour and a half, almost 2 hours from me on the Texas side. I'm right on the state line of Oklahoma. Any question I've got, they answer it. They've got people they will help you out. Unbelievable. You call them, you get a text on the phone, somebody you can communicate with. That's a plus. So what I'm being told that this is the V2, the new version of the EG4 batteries. They will communicate with my Servo GX. I don't need a shunt, Victron shunt on this. This cable makes that happen. My mega fuses. What else we got here? Like I said, MC4 crimpers, lugs, battery monitor for that Redodo self-heating battery. Got my VE bus dongle programming. Got a lot of stuff sitting on this table, y'all. And I want to run it all nice and neat. I got cable raceway. I'm gonna try to run it all in my raceway. I want it to be a very nice install. Been planning this for a while. I want this whole thing to be able to run, at least sustain us for 2 days with no sun. Be able to charge it from the truck. Solar, you know, you're not gonna get the whole 1600 watts. Good day, I'm hoping to get 1,000 watts of solar in on it. But we'll play it by ear and see how it goes. Let's come on into the truck camper and I'll show you my big plan for putting it in. Right here's my angle iron, my aluminum angle iron, and that's what I'm going to be putting. If you look back behind you there, we got that going in. That is going to be my 30 by 40 shop. It's 14 foot tall. It's going to have an office in it and a little YouTube studio in there. I want to be able to keep the camper inside there and do some filming inside there. Come on in, let's show you what we got. They're coming on in the camper. For those of you that haven't seen the inside before, my wife came in and did a little decorating for Christmas. This is the camper we completely remodeled. And you can look at some of our other videos and see everything we've actually done to it. It has been an absolute love affair. There we go. Yeah, we absolutely love this little camper. All right, here's how I'm planning my install. Can't guarantee everything's going to work like I planned on it working, but I think it's going to work. As you know, this used to be a U-shaped dinette. I tore the U-shaped dinette out, put this Walmart futon in it, took the legs off, and it fit in there perfectly. So the reason I hadn't done anything down here yet, because this is my plan. I'm planning on tearing all of this out underneath. And as you can see, I've got pretty good, frame all that out all the way across. It gives me a good 1.5 feet of space that'll be roughly 5 foot long. That's where I'm going to put my inverter. All my equipment will be inside there, run real nicely. I want to have it's all going to be carpeted. I'm going to have a black cover over it with a plexiglass opening and lights inside it that I can turn on, LED lights. And coming back over here, right on this side, if you look down right below the refrigerator, this opening, 3 batteries, those 3 server rack batteries are going to fit in there perfectly. And that's where my 3 server rack batteries are going to go. I'm going to take that, build an aluminum cage around them, secure them down nicely, and continue this on. Maybe make a seat, cushioned seat out of it, place somebody can sit. That's the plan. I've already got my solar ran through, comes down through the refrigerator. I've got a gland on the roof. That's all ready. If you look in here, I've got my combiner box already in. My splitter, where I split into the shore power, the transfer switch. And so that's all ran and ready to be plugged into the inverter. Like I said, I don't know everything about this. I watch YouTube videos just like the rest of y'all do. I'm no different. And that's where I'm getting my education from. So, good Lord willing, hopefully I don't burn anything up or tear something up. I don't think I will. My plan is to get everything hooked up, and I may actually just drive it over to Signature Solar and get with their tech team and have them take a look at it. But all the equipment, everything I bought, I'm going to leave a link. It's going to be down in the description. I'm trying to work out a little discount code for y'all through Signature Solar. Get you a little discount, save you some money on it. I did sign up as an affiliate with them. I'll make a little bit of commission on whatever you buy. It's not going to raise your price. It'll just help me make a little commission. So that being said, stay tuned, follow. This is going to be a build series. We're going to start off building the solar rack, get all that installed, then work our way down into this. And hey, guys, if you know something I don't, which I'm sure you do, please leave it down in the comments. I'll take any help I can get. This is going to be one crazy wild build. I've got a lot of good things coming up, man. Big plans for this channel. That shop's going to be part of it. I did start another channel called Runaway Reviews. And I can't tell you the amount of stuff that I've bought during this journey, truck camping, RVing. We've been RVing 13 years, for 12, 13 years, me and the wife. I've wasted some money on some junk. So we kind of did the review channel to bring quality products and show them to people, you know, just see how it goes. So y'all go over and check that out. And once again, big shout out to Signature Solar. Unbelievable company. So let's get ready. We'll see you guys on the next one. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name's Mike, and we are. What do you feel the microwave for?
I'm filming everything.
PT 250-100. That's